LSA Technology Services Learning and Teaching Consultants recommend Kaltura Capture and Canvas for recording and posting lectures, video announcements, or screen recordings. The tool has an array of options that allow for ease of use and flexibility in crafting your video. Kaltura Capture is easily accessible in Canvas. You start in your account's My Media, so your recording automatically uploads when you're done. Using a downloaded app allows you to choose which sources you'd like to record. Turn on or off your camera, microphone, or computer screen to customize your recording style. Then, once you have your settings arranged the way you like, it's easy to open a website, photo, or presentation, start your recording, and deliver your content. When you're finished recording, the app walks you through the steps to upload your video directly to your Canvas account. In your Canvas course, it's easy to publish your recording to your course's media gallery and share it to students. You can publish the video in announcements or on a page, or start a discussion using your video as a prompt. If you have any questions about using Kaltura Capture in your course, please visit us at lsa.umich.edu/technology-services or give us a call at 734-615-0100.